Like a Pirate Day. International Talk Like a Pirate Day is celebrated every year on September 19th. It's a silly but fun thing to celebrate. Anyone who likes pirates, who feels like celebrating a fun day, does it by talking like a pirate all day. Arr! On a side note, the founders of this day want people to know that real pirates were actually bad people who did bad things. When we celebrate this day, we are not honoring real pirates, but just having some fun. First, I'm going to give you a little lesson on how to talk pirate. Okay, when you're a pirate, the first thing to know is you got to growl a lot and say arr every now and then just for good measure. And you can gesture a lot too. Okay, now, when you want to talk, you don't ever say me, you say my. And you don't say you say ye. You wouldn't say this is my ship. You'd say this is me ship. Do ye understand? Okay, let's learn some words now. For hello, we say ahoy. For yes, we say aye. For stop, we say avast. For treasure, and that's pretty important, we say booty. Sometimes we talk about gold or money, and we say doubloons. If you're on my ship, you're my shipmate, ye my matey. If you want to talk about your friends, you say me hearties. If you want to say something when you're frustrated, you say blimey. And when you want to show that you're surprised, you say, shiver me timbers. And finally, when you want to say something when you're happy, you say, yo ho ho. Here's some more practice phrases for talking like a pirate. The left side is called the port side. The right side is called starboard. Another name for a pirate is a buccaneer. Someone you don't trust, which is most other pirates, are scallywags. The flag of the pirate ship is called the Jolly Roger. If you cheat someone, you're just hornswaggling them. And last, if you do hornswaggle me, you're going to have to walk the plank. That's the way you're going to have to walk off of the board into the ocean. Now that we've learned a few pirate words, let's try some pirate phrases. If you want to say, hello, my friends, you say, ahoy, me hearties. If you want to say, awesome, the flag of the pirate ship will fly, you say, yo ho ho, the Jolly Roger will fly. If you want to say, stop, all you men and women, I have treasure for you, you'd say, avast, ye lads and lassies, I have booty for ye. If you want to say, I can't believe it, those pirates are untrustworthy people, you say, shiver me timbers, those buccaneers are scallywags. If you want to say, wow, if you cheat me, you will be forced to walk off the left side of the ship into the ocean, you would say, blimey, if you hornswoggle me, I will force you to walk the plank from the port side. Have you heard any good pirate jokes? Well, neither have I. Just kidding. I'm going to tell you a few jokes just to get you laughing. How do pirates know they are pirates? They think, therefore they are. Why does it take a pirate so long to learn the ABCs? Because they can spend years at sea. Why don't pirates shower before they walk the plank? Because they'll just wash up on shore later. Why is pirating so addictive? They say, once you lose your hand, you get hooked. How did the pirate get his Jolly Roger so cheaply? It was on sale. What has 8 legs, 8 arms, and 8 eyes? 8 pirates! What did the ocean say to the pirate? Nothing. It just waved. What lies at the bottom of the ocean and twitches? A nervous wreck. Where can you find a pirate who has lost his wooden leg? Right where you left him. How do pirates prefer to communicate? Eye to eye. What are the 10 letters of the pirate alphabet? I, R, and the 7 C's. What's the pirate's favorite kind of exercise? The plank. Oh!